It's time to work on the Jeep.
Frequency mob.
Okay, people, we had some technical difficulties. Right now, we're about to switch up the sides and put the correct side on the right side. Here's a slight preview. One side, gotta tighten everything up. But from what I can see, it looks pretty sweet. And there's Ava, Brian, Team Jesus. Okay, so we're gonna put the finishing touches on this side, driver's side, and that's gonna be a wrap. It's gonna be a wrap, man. It's pretty easy to put on. Only there's a couple of bolts, and then I just had my tools here, a couple wrenches and pliers and things. Nothing fancy, no power tools. You know, and as I go along, I'll just tighten it up and make sure everything is nice and sturdy so we don't have no mishaps later on down the line or when we're riding down the road. All right. And there you have it, guys. Looks like everything is solid. Let me know what you think, man. I'll probably post a video or a picture or something for the end of this just to let you see how it looks. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't hesitate to do it yourself, you know what I mean? 100, we out.